Hey guys, welcome back to another great tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a custom loot pool using the new event binding system. In this system, if it works properly, you'll be able to go up to these custom chests, open them up, get your weapons, your ammo, and resources all within one go, just like in a regular BR map. You obviously can modify this any other way you'd like as well that makes sense for your map. But in this example, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create it to be more like a mini BR. What I'm going to do is show you each of these devices, where to get them, and how to set them up. First one, I want you to go over to devices and grab the tracker device. Then we're going to adjust these settings right here. First setting, containers open, stat to track. You want to make sure it's set to containers opened. Target value 1. So for every container opened, give me my loot, right? Makes sense. When target is reached, do nothing. That's telling the tracker, just keep doing what you're doing every time someone opens a chest. Show on HUD? No, because this isn't going to be a tracker in the traditional sense. We're just using it to open chests. Progress indicator? No, we don't want to see that, right? We're just opening chests. Same with the completion ceremony. Since there is no completion, just set it to no. Player eliminations count towards the tracker? Nope. We don't want to be giving people loot every time they get an elimination, or maybe you do, but otherwise turn that off. Otherwise, everything else here just remains the same. Now, the next thing we're going to do is place down one item granter. All right, guys. So we're going to go to devices and we're going to grab an item granter and place it down. Now just place the one at the moment. We're going to change the settings before creating duplicates. Now, the next thing you're going to do is put on grant action, keep all. Then cycle behavior wrap. Drop items at player location. Yes, we want those items to drop out of the chest and not right into their inventory. And that's it. Just those three settings need to be changed and you're off to the races. So next you're going to go ahead and place 3 of those item granters down. Then in the first item granter, what you're going to do is go over to your weapons and place in any weapons that you want. In like a mini BR, what you would normally do is put maybe a lot of the uncommons in first, then you put in some rares, then you put in even less epics and legendaries, right? And so on, because you want it to be more rare, but you could do it any way you want. And the next one, you're going to put your ammo. So whatever weapons you have, you put that ammo in. You can put as much ammo or as little ammo in as you'd like. I try to keep mine more to traditional BR. And the last one's resources. You're going to put in your wood, your stone, and your metal. So in there, I usually put 30 of each just to keep it more towards a mini BR and keep it more traditional in that sense. Before we go any farther, what we want to do is rename our devices. So guys, with the event binding system, you must rename every device you use. Otherwise, you won't know what it is. So you have to learn this if you haven't done it before. On the first one, I wrote weapon item granter. Before it just said item granter, now it's called the weapon item granter. Guys, you need to rename every device you use, or the event binding system is going to be extremely complicated and unusable. So as you can see here, on the next one I created, I wrote ammo item granter. Perfect. And then the final one, you probably guessed it, resources item granter. So you can name these whatever you want, but make sure you get used to renaming all of your devices. Now we're going to go to the tracker and we're going to go to the last events function here, and then on complete send to. If you noticed, I already created 3. So these are the 3 item granters. So you just go into select device, you would choose the weapon item granter first, then choose cycle to random item. I already did it, so you won't see that on the list there. But for all 3 of those, choose weapon item granter, ammo item granter, resources item granter, and then cycle to random item. Once that is set up, go ahead and hit OK. Final step, you're going to go ahead and create a custom chest. Now, you're going to go ahead and use the rockets. You're going to put 1 rocket in the chest, and that's only because you have to put something in that chest. You can put whatever it is, but you can't create a chest without going to the bottom there and saying add to chest. You have to add 1 item to a chest. Once you've done that, go over to the chest tab and then create chest. Once you've created that chest with the 1 rocket, you can place it down. Now, if you guys are in my Discord, I did give out a custom chest to everyone that actually has nothing in it. It's very hard to find. It's pretty rare. If you join the Discord, somebody in Creative Corner might be nice enough to share it with you. The Discord link is in the description below. You'll notice when you open this chest, a rocket does come out. Rocket ammo does come out. But if you go to the other ones, no rocket ammo comes out because I was able to find a chest that once used to have a mech in it. Now, there's no mechs in the game currently, so it's pretty cool. If they ever come back, it's going to be pretty scary. And that's it, guys. We have a custom loot pool using the new event binding system. I hope this helps in creating your future Fortnite creative maps.